go through was that one tomorrow. Only basic terminologies only. Guys, all of you can able to hear my voice. Mainly one person, Roja Sivakumar, um, Sai Kiran, Srinivasa. Voice is my. They said they are unable to hear my voice. So Roja can able to hear my voice. Okay.
Yeah, 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 yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So today we'll start with the basics of networking and few commands, and then maybe today and tomorrow we'll go through the networking part. Then I will start the service desk. Okay, don't sleep in the classroom. Okay, so I will give you a break at a 4:15 kind of stuff. Okay, a 15-20 minutes I will give you a break, so then you can have a tea or coffee kind of. Okay, so what is network? What is network? It is interconnection of two or more devices is called a network. So we need a paint. Yeah. Look at here. This is my PC. Okay. Device means a computer, a router, maybe a mobile phone. Okay, or maybe a laptop. Okay, like any device which connecting to network. So I have a devices and I'm connecting together. Which way we are connecting, that is depends, it purely depends upon how you connect. Are you connecting one to one like this, or are you connecting to a particular switch kind of stuff like a switch or hub like this? Are you connecting? But how you connect it, we call this one as a network. We call this one as a network. How you connect, it is no problem, but when you are connecting, that we call it as a just a network only. What is networking? What is networking? Networking means when you are trying to communicate from one PC to another PC. For example, if I send a message from here to here, so that is called a communication. If I try to communicate from here to here, so that is called a communication. Okay. So what is networking? Means communication between two or more devices. Communication between two or more interconnected devices. Interconnected means connected devices. Internetwork. What is this internetwork? This is one network. We'll go to the small. See, look it. So this is the network. So I have a devices. Okay, all are connected together to communicate, right? So this is a called a simple network. If they are communicating each other, that is called a networking. This is another network. Think like this is another network. Okay. Now, if you connect this network to this network, called a internetworking. If you connect this one network to another network, called a networking. For example, this is network A and this is a network B. Whenever you make a connection between network A and network B, so that is called a internetwork. What is the meaning of internetworking? What is the meaning of internetworking? If you can able to communicate, if you can able to communicate from one network to another network, so that is called a internetworking. So this is a network and this is a network. Okay, because of connection of two or more devices to a device. Okay, this is called a network, and they are communicating each other. So then we call it as a networking. The terminologies: when you connect a network to another network, when you can able to connect one network to another network, so that is called a internetwork. And if you are communicating from one network to another network, that is called a internetworking. Okay, so these are the basic definitions of your network. Next, there's a type of networks are there. So types of network. Okay, so what is this types of network? LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN. Okay, so as per the geographical area, the network is divided into so different parts. So one is LAN network, means local area network. CAN means campus area network. Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan cities are there, no? Wide area network. Metropolitan area network. So what is this metropolitan area network, LAN network kind of stuff? Okay, so in this one, there is a definitions are there. Just you can go through once, you can find it, but I will explain it, guys. This is a LAN. This part is a LAN, and this is also a LAN. Okay, by combining both the things, we call it as a LAN only. So how we can say this is a LAN or a WAN or a CAN and all? So there is a two ways. One is geographical area, means how much big it is. Okay. Another side is which protocol you are connecting. By using which protocol or a device you are using to connect these LANs. So based on that, it can be a LAN or a WAN or a CAN or a MAN. Okay. So again, a LAN and there is another LAN. When you combine both the things, it can be a LAN, it can be a WAN, it can be a CAN, or it can be a MAN. How to tell? Depends upon the area, geographically, means geographical area. Second one is to connect those LANs, which devices and which protocols you use it. So remember those 2 points. We'll be back to that point again anyway. Guys, look at this. This is a building. This is a building. In the building, I have a department. There is a floor and there is a room. So I have a LAN here. The LAN size can be a 4 computers or 5 computers in the room, or maybe a 10 computers in the room. Okay, it can be in a LAN, or it can be in the entire floor. It can be in a single room. It can be in a entire entire room, entire floor also. Or we can say LAN in a geographically. It can be a in a building. So I just for understanding only, I'm putting it different floors. Okay. Actually, I have to put it in a different ways. Okay, like this. Okay, simple like this. This is another LAN. Each floor can be a LAN. Okay, so the LAN size is can be a single room, or can be a floor, or can be a building also. This is a LAN. Entire building comes under single LAN, local area network. So that is the size of the LAN in a geographical manner. Guys, okay? LAN, local area network. Hmm? Local area network. No one is telling anything. Okay. Guys, like this, I have a several buildings in my office. For example, if you go to the campus, like a Tech Mahindra campus or a TCS campus kind of stuff, you can see lot of buildings are there. You can see lot of buildings are there. So maybe if you go to university, actually campus means first thought we will get it, college or a university. Okay, so for example you went to a university, so this is a university admin building. Okay, university administrative building. Next, this is a engineering department. For example, this is a CSC department. Okay, this is a mechanical department. Okay, or maybe this is a electronics department or ECE department, whatever it is. Okay, I have another building like this is some BSc department, science, BSc or MSc related department, science related department. For example, so this is entirely a university campus. Art department is different. Commerce department is different. Engineering departments are different. Mechanical different. Like that, civil department is different. And entire thing is controlled by admin department. As I said, each building is a LAN. Each building is a LAN. But this whole thing will communicate each other, become a single network. Each individual is a single network. There are LAN network only. But this whole the whole campus become a single network. So that is we call it as a campus area network. Campus area network. So each building is LAN, and all buildings together make a single network called a campus area network. So what is the size of your CAN is up to the university, up to the particular campus only. Guys, if you have a doubt or not understand, there is a rise hand rising button is there like this. At least click on it. Okay. Next, if you understand, if you are able to speak immediately, at least put some message. Like there is a chat box. There's everyone. Okay, you put a message kind of stuff. Okay, otherwise you can give this the thumbs ups also no balance. So okay, okay guys, listen carefully. In the metropolitan cities, usually in a big cities like Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, like that. So in a very big cities, we have a different departments like okay, city wise department, town wise little less, but town also there, but cities if you take cities. So what is these departments? We'll see it. For example, this is a mayor office. City mayor is will be there, na? Mayor office. Okay. So it's a mayor office means admin building. Entire city administration. Uh, police station. Police stations are there. Okay. So multiple police stations are there anyway. Okay. Police station. Fire department. Okay. Fire department. Hospitals. Hospital departments. Forest related department. Okay, road department, road related, road and development authority kind of stuff, or NH5 kind of stuff. Okay, national highway related thing. Okay, so different type of departments in the organization. Think everything is their own LAN network. This is one LAN. In this building, this is another LAN. In this building, another LAN. So they can communicate themselves only within the building. They can able to communicate each other. They can share the data within the building only. But what I done, I make them connected each other. Okay, I make them connected each other by using some system or some point. Okay, so okay, so it is simple, right? So I connected these departments together, so then they can able to share the information. Maybe there is a road accident and there is a fire in the road accident. Okay, there is a road accident and there is a fire is there, so compulsory fire department should become, right? Maybe fire, or maybe there is a huge big accident, to rescue that, so like a fire department is required, hospital department is required, police department is required, road department is required. If something trees kind of stuff is involved, and forest department is required, and mayor must know what happened. Maybe there is a court, so the court also must know what is happening. The information must be shared. So you want to share information between one department to another department. Okay, one department to another department. So what to do? We need a communication between them. So this type of communication means within the city, all the departments can be able to communicate each other. So that is called a MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network. Okay. So LAN is nothing but a individual, simple or a single network. It is from a room to entire building, room, floor, or multiple floors, or maybe entire building. Okay, so these buildings are communicating each other within the city. So that type of network we call it as a MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. I don't know. So please check your internet connection. Srinivas, check your internet connection like this. Yeah, mine is also slow today. Why? Mine is on average. Actually, I will get a 40 or 50. Okay. Just other than otherwise, just wait a minute. I will connect it to another network if possible.
This conference will now be recorded.
See, guys, can you able to hear my voice?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Screen also you can able to view, right? Screen is good.
Yes, sir.
Now speed is also little good. Okay, the speed may be another problem. Very good. Okay, guys, this is about your MAN network. So metropolitan area network. So within the metropolitan area, we can able to communicate each other. Each other means each department shares the information in a metropolitan areas only. MTNL type. MTNL. Okay. Next one is wide area network. Guys, think I have a LAN means I have a Hyderabad office. In my office, I have a computers or a servers or a router kind of stuff is there. Okay, this entirely is in my Hyderabad office. Okay, in our 70s, in another place like maybe can't do anything if you cannot hear. There is a problem in Srinivas system only. Convey him if you possible. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is other office and there is also some server, some kind of information is there, for example Bangalore. Okay, of course our corporate office is in Exton means US. In US we have our corporate office, so there is also very big servers and all. Okay, data centers, everything they are maintaining. Okay, so we have a three different location. One is within India, it is outside of India, that is US. So we want to communicate from this to this server directly, or this to this server directly, or this to the server directly. How it is possible? We can able to communicate just like how you communicate a system within the LAN. Okay, so how you communicate a PC in the same network, like it is in the same network, which is not in the same network, same geographical network, not there. This is different geographical place. This is a different geographical place. This is a completely different continent itself, different geographical place. So how to communicate each other? By using WAN network only, wide area network. So wide area network is simply say networks of network. A network is connected to another and all. So very simple how it is possible. Like there is a exchange servers are there. No. Exchanges like a BSNL, VSNL, Videshi Sensor Nigam Limited, BSNL, VSNL, Airtel. Okay, so they have a permanent exchanges are there, telephone exchange kind of stuff. Exchanges are there, so they can create a connection between one place to another place. So wide area network means, okay, we'll go back to the again definitions. So then we'll see. Guys, look at here. LAN, local area network, means a single room or maybe a single floor or maybe it can be a single building. Up to that one, the entire network we call that one as a LAN network. What is a CAN network? Campus area network. So within the campus, like a one university, like we have Andhra University, JNTU University, Osmania University, Delhi University, like that. So Hyderabad University, so Tech Mahindra campus or TCS campus, like that. So big campuses are there, each campus having a multiple buildings, but within the place only where they are communicating each other. So that is a CAN only. Limit is within the campus only. Next one is metropolitan area network. Okay, metropolitan area network, they can communicate to entire, so within the city, entire city. It means within the city only, not city to city also. Within the city, what are the departments are there? They can share the information from one to another one. So that is a MAN, means metropolitan area network. Then what is this wide area network? Wide area network means geographical locations, means Hyderabad to New Jersey, New Jersey to New Zealand, New Zealand to New Zealand is outside, right? Yeah, New Zealand to something like a France, France to South Africa, South Africa to China, China to India again. So like that. Okay, so different geographical location, uh, organizations or systems, we are all can able to communicate. So that wide area network means it's a networks of network, entire global network we call it as a wide area network. So it's like a global way communication, global communication, different geographical, we can able to communicate. Okay guys, these are the main types of network. Of course, there is a few people already asking me in earlier, what is a PAN? Personal area network. Personal area network. It means I have a mobile phone. I connect my mobile phone to my Wi-Fi, my laptop, or maybe my Bluetooth earphones. Maybe I connected to my printer through Wi-Fi hotspot or maybe a Bluetooth. Like usually like a Bluetooth way of communication. Mostly not even a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi comes under LAN only again. Okay, so personal area network means using your Bluetooth if you are connecting your devices like your laptop, your TV, or maybe your earphones or headphones. If you are connected through your Bluetooth, is called a personal area network. And if you go to the internet, there are a lot of things are there, like a ban is there, van is there, like so there is, they put a lot of names in it, but not there. It's as a textbook. Even we don't agree there is a can and man concept also. There's a only LAN and WAN is there. Remember, guys, always LAN means local, WAN means global. Okay, LAN means local. Local means within the network, your private network. Local means it's a private network. Means within your network only, not no internet, not internet. You are not connecting to internet, or maybe just within your network only. Okay, global. It means it is public. Global means public. WAN, global network. LAN, your local network within your office. Okay, WAN, it is entire world is connecting directly. That is called a WAN network. Okay, private network, public network. Next, intranet. Internet. See, this is very simple difference is there. Internet, intranet. What is intranet? Local LAN network. Okay, within the local private network. So completely you can say a private network. So no public network. Internet. Internet is a global network. Okay, and it is a public network. For example, I have web server. Web server means which provide a website to you. Web server. Okay, in my room I have a YouTube server. Think like that. I have a YouTube server in my room. No internet, just directly I have a server in my room, and I have a 10 computers in my room. So 10 computers accessing a YouTube video from my server only. So that is called a intranet. Intranet. What is internet? YouTube a server is somewhere located. We don't know where it is located. Maybe New Jersey, San Jose, or maybe like that it is there. And we are accessing YouTube from through internet. We are accessing YouTube through internet, public network only. So you compulsory your packet should be sent outside of your room. So that is called a internet. Anything? Guys, understand LAN, WAN, man? Hmm? No one is speaking. Give some message or anything. Understand? Not understand?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Next point is basic requirement to form a network. Like you want to create a network, so then you what are the requirements? Okay. Okay, so what are the basic requirements? So what we need, NIC. What is NIC? Also called as a LAN card. NIC. Media means we need to connect with devices with the cables, and different type of cables we're going to discuss. Networking devices like a hub, router, switches, kind of stuff. Protocols means different type of protocols we use it to communicate. Logical addresses means IP addresses. So these are the main five things to form a network. Of course, when it is come to media, you may get a doubt, sir. Nowadays, we are not much using a wire kind of stuff. You have a mobile phone and you are getting internet to your mobile phone. Where did you put a wire? What we are using? Without using wires, we are getting right. So that is like a Wi-Fi means it is wireless. Wireless is also there. So compulsory you have to add the point. The PPT is a very old PPT, which is actually created by one of my colleague, ex-colleague. Okay, Nagpur guy only. So this is it. Next, take a break, 10-15 minutes. Be back at 4:10. Sorry, 4:20, 4:25. Sorry. 4:25. Be back at 4:25. We'll start the class by 4:30. Okay. So if you have anything, just 10 minutes or a 15 minutes maximum give period I am giving. Okay. Bracket like this. Then I will explain this. So this will cover a lot of things today. Okay, guys. No need to disconnect. If you are logging with the laptop and all, no need to disconnect. Just mute it and leave it. Let's just it. Okay. What to do?